Notice all of them who do some green shit. Remember saying a shit attract shit. And say any day, who make blood clot hero. Stop right there, so. Any day, only name has to come spread out everybody blood clot file pan your so. Me I tell you no. I know one day where name day. Can be say more people me and pretty than slung at the shed they and chat. God, he knows how much people she tell back. Boy, me have to go check now. The amount of people we sit down and chatting at the shed there. Me don't know who should go back and say who Hero said with. But guess what? The people that remember they chat there, them are no friend. So you feel fuck up now if you see I and them all of them a friend. And I me I just sit down and chat them. Me I last blood clot man standing. Much people. Fans don't come and look at my fans them. My fans will say me we chat people go. We chat people come. One time we left go buy food. I will consume, I will come back and start chat people. We left again, I will come back and we chat people. We go sleep and she go take 1 5 minute dose off and we get up and wake and we chat people again. You know that chat, we chat blood clot people, they not tap ya. Yeah, draw near. When you roll on say Facebook, me been a tell the people them say me a thief. I introduce myself to this world. I tell the people them say me a thief. In my spare time, I give jokes. I never said I'm a comedian because comedian O-K-E-R. Me no prankster. Me a joker. And this is not a joke. You hear me? Tell me if me wrong, Mark.
Yeah.
Tell me if me wrong.
God.
Florida big.
Florida big.
What do you have me witness 10 party keeper Florida? You know witness the last holiday we go on? 4 party down a like alone.
Yeah.
Down a so. You say me and your friend.
Yeah.
See? Listen what me I say no. You say me and your friend. Y'all keep a party.
Yeah.
Fuck the date where y'all keep a party pan. My thing are every Friday thing.
Right.
Say y'all me dog, y'all gonna say Hero. Y'all get
The party keep. So I think I just mix up.
You did a swim around party?
Come about.
Wait, hold on. You come and swim around party. You give me money. You say, you not stay for long.
Yeah.
You buy one mowet and you not drink, you left your mowet same place.
Yes. I'm aware I want fish run.
And you buy one swim around for chubby.
Yeah. Support become a support.
Pretty Dan wasn't there. So all you don't know. Mark, you want next one to you.
No, Pretty never did that when I made it there. Eh?
What time you come? You come early, remember?
Come early. She come after me? Wow. Should have come the night there for me? That, are you the night there? Then should have bite. Only can work it out. Remember, it's a girl where you check for, you know. And somebody where you check for different in a year. You can't work it out. It's a mix up. It's a mix up. It's a mix up. My face says a mix up. To be a mix up.
Okay, now.
I have to be a mix up.
Brother.
There's no other way. There's no explanation. There's no explanation here.
Now say you have to think about close friend. That have a mistake.
It has to be a mistake. You never know the address. To sense one if you get the venue and the person go out at the address there.
Let me ask you something.
Yeah.
The first flyer sent out like she put up this morning. What the flyer say?
You know something I've put it on Facebook.
Okay.
You
have to read between lines, you know, you're a big man, you know. Look, you know. What the first flyer say? Read up yourself.
It says,
look up at top yourself.
yeah, dirty 30.
Well, I know, look up at top. Where address say? Fort Lauderdale.
Hold on, let me look at it.
You can't say good?
Yes. Where Dawg? Fort Lauderdale, Florida.
Alright then.
Yeah.
Look you now.
Oh, the next
one day. Yesterday me get the blood clot car, look.
Miramar. That's not Fort Lauderdale. That venue change. You know, who say I eat that? You don't say I don't eat that. A lot of people look for you because you joke around and things say you're slow and they know say act, you know. You don't eat that. You.
When me get the call, when me tell us I get the call, from me tell us I me up on the phone. When me tell us I get the call with the people them.
Yeah.
When me get the call. 2 days ago she never have my Miramar address.
No, okay, it's a Fort Lauderdale.
Come on, no, man.
You don't eat that.
Come on, no, man, Mark, man. Me no idiot, you know, Mark, man.
You don't eat that.
Me only act like me an idiot. Me no fool. Me I tell you, me no fool.
Me still gotta run with the fact. Me still gotta run with she get somebody else the job to get the venue and then get the wrong address. Me still you know, have to. There's no have to. There's no other way. We can't envision Pretty than a violator like that. We don't have kids party at the same time.
No.
We don't have one side of the club.
Listen to me. There's levels to this.
So she's gonna need a new flyer.
I don't have to show you or prove nothing to no the world. Look at this.
Oh shit. Oh shit. That's a big number. Oh shit. My dog boss up. Oh shit. Congratulations, my friend. Congratulations, my friend.
Yeah, with other people, please.
Yeah.
You dig what me say, Mark?
Yeah.
That's people property. You feel me?
Yeah. Feel so you don't need to smoke some weed and talk about it and find out what really. 3.5.
3.5 weed.
Oh, that's where the falling out start. Oh.
If you send her flyers, I'm not sending. She said if you send her a picture if you put on the flyers, I'm not sending. You see me?
Your picture.
My picture. Because if me feel like me or your dog,
yeah,
and you may not see a job or repost 2 months,
you know,
repost, you know, say hear a song drop, see?
I understand.
Then out of 2 months now, you're going to tell me if you send a picture of the drop off flyers. Listen to me.
I understand.
Mickey Mouse be like us, you know. But remember, say one day black them going done. So remember, say Mickey Mouse there be a blood clot house. But the man when I send for blood clot black going done. Remember me telling you, all if it done and he can send go by. All if it done and when he can send go by 1 million more, going done. Going done. You know what I say?
But as much as you love that girl, remember say you so pretty than another brother. My face I mix up. Man. I just mix up.
Sometimes you ever pray like you have some friend, but then see her live, but then try to come out to figure out how you live. And then can't figure out how you live.
But you not show them too much.
But you not show them too much.
Keep them on a level.
And then get corrupt and frustrated.
Because them
then get eaten. They want to know how me I live. They want to know how me I do this. They want to know if ads really make Era live so.
Right.
They want to know if Era really a thief. They want to know if me I make money off YouTube. They want to make me know if me I make money.
Source.
Yeah, they want to know which part my income I come from.
And then can't know.
And then can't know. So it just never connect with her. And it never really connect and she never sit good on her chest.
Me feel so mixed up. Me feel say Tony can't talk it out. They can't talk it out.
Tony can't talk it out and the mother diss me.
The mother diss her?
Hey, girl here.
What? So a bad man thing come with? Oh, this dead.
Yo.
This can't talk out again then. Cause them a...
Yo, my joker.
No, but the mother.
Mark, that joke kind of me say. Hey, Galileo. What? Miss Laverne, you cannot make me disrespect you.
So what could I bring it to that point?
And she said every dog have it dead.
Huh? You not firing?
When dog live so good.
Dog live so good.
This man me say, hey, me know where you live, you know. I come if you come tapping at your throat, you know.
No, we're not support that man.
No, me I tell us that me say.
Oh, so that's why your mommy come back like that. Oh, because you know your feelings, because you're hurt. That's all that is. She should have known what Era said. When Era hurt to hurt, you feel aware.
Me say, but pretty that the part live, I cuss off Andrew and say Queenie, and then me say something to her and she gonna fear her mother to come warn me. How much suck out she tell people to suck out and skin out and ling ling.
She not gonna diss you like that because she still love you.
No.
What do you think it is?
So you love me, I want me to go to jail?
She not gonna call the police, man. Pretty that not do that.
That report me?
She not gonna do that. I just more talk that. She not gonna do that.
So the more talk me there, more talk, I'm going to tap in her neck.
Yeah, but the mama said them know say you're bad people in the Era.
No, man, no, me never dare tap in her neck.
Me know say you're not gonna do it, but remember.
No, me never tap in her neck.
But remember, them know say you's a man of a portion of killers around here at all time.
No, but me not gonna do that to pretty.
Me know you're not gonna do that.
I vex, and me say, damn, me tap in her neck, you know.
Me know that. She know that. She knows. Then again, she don't know. Because she knows that you's a man that got half the injuries when you're upset. So I feel son can't talk it out still.
No, man.
Afraid Francina go live on this, yo. That means that she not have nothing personal against you.
People them say Mark now pick no side.
But I can't believe it. I know how close it is.
Eh?
I know how close it is. I can't believe it. I feel say that if she did really I got this year, she would have got live on this year.
No.
But by her calling her mom, she
No.
want her mom to squash it.
No, she write on Instagram.
She call her name in it?
She said me I go kill her.
Hey. She said you up on Instagram?
She said me say, all of a sudden, them want send man come kill me.
And she write her name?
Should I write my name?
Oh, that should not incriminate her then.
What incriminate me?
She have to write her name and tag in it. That triggers an investigation.
But she can't trigger no investigation.
No, that she not call your name, that means she could have talk to anybody. No, man, she not hurt him, man. Trust me.
Oh, she hurt me.
She can't hurt you. She love you.
I find out a new gozo, man.
She love you, man.
I'm gonna walk over upon them blood clot. Solve them problems. You know what I'm gonna do? Mark, me I go to police station and go report them. Me in fear for my life.
Animal cruelty.
Yes. Every dog off dead. So when I tell me say, when me make my sister come down a blood class station and play the voice note, and the part say every dog off dead. Remember say World Dog LLC, you know. World Dog LLC. World Dog is a business. You hear me?
You are going right us now. You love Pretty Dan.
No.
And Pretty Dan love you. Only just need to work it out.
No love no did again.
Yeah, man. No, you can't say that.
I know it's a big man thing. You're right, because me not too this or too
No,
hard. So that
yeah,
means that me know me rate her, you know.
And she not this either, else she would have gone live and do
You know, so me notice me now go too hard on her, so dog. That's why me know me rate her, dog. That's why she hurt me, dog.
Me I gonna make sure so that me I gonna mend the relationship.
No, dog, you can't mend. Nothing can't mend, man. I want a mark. What do you, man? Be ever said, no, man? Cut it this and the man sprinkle foot, no, man. Me not tell about the goose lady. Hurt me, dog. Come me not say nothing bad about her, so we know say, you know, really. You know, really. You see me?
You love her?
Yeah, dog.
You love hurt?
No, me don't want a friend for her again, though.
You love her from far. Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
Cause you hurt. You just have vent. There's nothing wrong with that.
No, I'm a vent. This is not vent, Mark. This is betray. Betray, Mark.
My thing says the address mix up. My thing says the address mix up. My thing says the address right. The exact address. She never know the exact address to Rich Friday, and she gets somebody to find the venue, and the person choose that venue.
True that, love her from far.
Love her from far. I want for people I love from far, brother. They can't spend a night in my house, they can never come through my door again. But I don't want to hurt you. Just love her from far, because I have love for each other.
That's not love, Mark. But that is not love.
My face is the address mix up though. My face is to get somebody else to get the venue and then choose the address there, and she never knows a Rich Friday address. My feel say that one. My honestly feel say that one. Honestly. She never knows a Rich Friday address. My feel say that one. So if you just call and talk about it, smoke a little quarter pound out of it.
Quarter pound of blood clot. I have nothing more waistband than. Love that from far.
Love that from far. There you
yeah.
Go. There you go.
And guess what?
No, there you go.
I'm not gonna lie, you know. I'm not gonna lie to you right as a dog and tell you say I'm hate that dog. Big man thing, dog. I'm not gonna there as a dog and tell you say dog. Then I'm a pussy dog, then for go chuck off and dead and this and that dog. Come rate Dan and love Dan on a different level, dog. I always think Dan they did it with me, you feel me? Me feel like when everybody sell me out, Dan always did it, dog. Well, yeah. And she always make me feel that way, you see me?
I make you laugh.
And make me laugh, dog. Because when Dan they run the dog, make me laugh in the dog. So I really appreciate the laugh because normally I make people laugh, you see me? So when time she come on, dog, and she do I look a fuck with them and she chat to Ratman them and all of them a trouble her and she gimmicks but them. You know them way there? Yeah. Me see them thing there, me laugh, you see me? Yeah. But dog, the thing is,
take my word, it's an address mix up.
No.
She wasn't the one that go for the address.
No.
You don't think so?
I just a little thing we are going.
Me tell you,
no. It's a little side thing I go on now.
Okay.
You see me? And if people big and people know, it's a little side thing I go on right now. But remember, say, you can have 7 building blocks yourself, and you feel like one upon one and the upon man, that no firm like the one where they are ground.
True. Strongest one of the foundation. One to start.
Mark.
Yeah.
7 building blocks and them a build upon each other.
Who the Florida don't know that?
Me, they are ground.
Who in Florida don't know that?
Me, they are grown.
Who in Florida don't know that?
You understand? I mean, I see no, Mark, cool, no, man. Foundation. So I'm not worried about.
Not only in Florida, but on social media, on the world.
You see me? So I'm not really. You see me? Yeah. And you know, I realize, I always take her as a brother. But I now remember, say, I'm a little sister.
Right. She love you though, I can tell you that.
Mark, yeah.
No, she does. I tell her straight up. Me feel say, we don't love each other.
Me tell her. I'll be honest with you. Pretty than love me and rate me, but she have about 4 people that talk in her ears.
And that go on, including her mother.
Yeah.
Over expensive, bro. The balls.
You know something I don't know? Pretty than love me and rate me, but she have other people that talk in her ears. So it really affect with friendship or we have.
Look like a phone ball go over there and then throw it back over.
Yeah man, go over there. It's like she real dog.
Yeah.
But like people
other
are,
people in
yeah,
our ears that try
you
to
have
put it
other
against
people in our
each other.
ears.
Yeah, that's a boy.
I try to make we fight. You see me?
And that's not supposed to happen.
You see me? Yeah, dog. And that me feel. Cause me and Dan over here all day one day until Dan left. Me call Dan, me nah get her. Cause she a come over here every day now. Me and Dan used to go live what day, man?
Yeah.
Remember when me and Lava Top chat, man, and me and Dan a go live every day, man.
True.
Till 2 weeks she a come and then she tap forward, you see me? Then me a call her, then me nah get her. Call her, me nah get her. But she dey live. You see me? Me I say,
yeah. Mr. Vex with her or something.
yeah, me I tell her, dog.
She vex with her or something.
Yeah, me don't know what Pretty Dan vex with me for. Look, the last text Pretty Dan sent me on August the 28th. And the next message October when? 16.
She vex with her. Somebody in her ears.
Somebody in her ears. So me and her talk good. Me and her talk about Facebook or Instagram. She show me how to make money on YouTube. And me say Jaja. And she don't say nothing. Then October 16 she has to send me a pic. So me feel away because
I mean, link you all along.
can you link me up? I mean I get no link.
Send me a pic.
You see me, so she has to send me a pic. So me I say, some of the spree because me feel away now.
Somebody in her ears.
Or somebody in her ears. Dog, you see me? Me real.
Yeah.
What do your RT boss link me? RT is a hero. Me I give her money right now. Any more to charge me for promote Dawg page. And me look for RT and me said, RT, me good man, me suffer. Because Dawg tell me to dig up my dead mother and suck you. I don't want that money, me real.
We don't want that money to spend. It's alright, we're going to sell about juice.
And anybody pretty than a pre, me feel like me take up myself and for pre them too.
Yeah, of course.
Because as somebody look upon pretty than and pre levels. You see me? And people, let me tell you this. Me have respect for pretty than.
And it now got change.
It change.
It's a change.
May I be real with you. It change. You know why it change? Because it don't come from here so. And we should see it long time. And all me try do is show pretty than and love pretty than, dog. We never try pretty than come on yet and I say, oh, pretty than go buy weed. Or I didn't think that. But as you taking pretty than as my family, dog. Pretty than in my house I chat to my family, them, dog.
Yeah.
Pretty than can pull me do and go in my fridge anytime.
Yeah.
And I can say this pan live. 95% of my dog, them, I don't know where they live and know how their house look like. I all the way that I pray myself as a boss. Because if me have 16 dogs around me, I have to have a 16 dog them comfortable.
Yeah.
Me know pretty than mother before me know pretty than. So if pretty than feel like me I go disrespect her and disrespect her mother, me disrespect Dan, you know, but me now go disrespect Dan mother. Cause me know Dan, me know Dan mother before me know Dan. Me and her run joke before me know about Dan. Miss Cindy.
What's going on with your hon?
Miss Cindy, me I try to tell her, sir. I go look a girl pregnant for me now.
Sure. Whoa! Nobody not pregnant for you, man.
No, man, I sit me there, so I explain. I see me call Dan hurt me, is it?
I was watching.
Eh?
I was watching.
You feel like me wrong, Miss Cindy?
Well, if she don't know, I was reading the text is on the live, and it says not she, the girl, the wife. So I think you should call her on the live.
So I was great. We don't go come in with disrespect. Come in, I'm a friend, you know.
Yeah, I watch them. Yeah, that them a say on the live says not she, the wife. That them a say.
And I don't do it, you know.
Don't do it.
Let me tell you, yo! Yo! I told me I cuss me even I read the comment them, you know.
So me did I read them, and them I say it's not she, and the wife, cause the wife love call police and be things. I don't know her, so.
So what else I'm gonna do? I tell you the whole time right just so. You know some rapper made and start do the reading thing on. Rapper made and start do the reading thing on.
Here you know.
On Thursday on the reading thing. Right. Which one you want?
So you're not sure with Mark? Mark me like.
Alright then.
You calm down now?
Yeah.
So call her and talk to her and get to the bottom line. RT up on the live too, you know.
Me a pre-RT too.
Dan tell her for pre-RT.
Eh?
And Dan tell her for pre-RT.
No, but I told me there so and I mean I pray, me not realize the people them I say, I girl do it.
That's what they were saying.